Hello, everybody. Smyrna Cowboy here. How y'all doing today? Today is April the 6th, 2019 at 9:43 in the morning. I got Gand ALF back. Gonna ride it on home, so I'm going to do a vlog. It's been since February since I've done one. So let's get on the stick and let's go home. Well, all right, boys and girls, let's see how it's going to do. So far, so good. It's smooth. We got to scuff this rear tire in. See if I still remember how to ride. It has been a while. Oh, well, it's good to be back on the bike, and it's been a long time since I have ridden. So we'll see how the bike does. Looks like I need to get some petrol, but I'll just wait. I can't ride it anyway for a month, so I'll just wait. Of course, I picked the busiest time of day. There we go. Seems like it's doing all right. Well, let me give y'all an update here a little bit. If y'all following me on Facebook, I am, or if you're not following me on Facebook, I should say, I have my hip surgery. I have it this coming Tuesday. Oh, my first biker wave of the season. So I have it this coming Tuesday. So I wanted to go ahead and get the bike running and everything and get it back in the garage. So I'll have something to look forward to when I get out. Still got to get my legs back on this thing. And let's see, I haven't done a video since February. Everything's going good. I'm off work now until probably, I'd say, the middle of June, because they're saying 4 to 6 weeks. So 4 weeks is May 9th. 8 weeks is June 9th, so hopefully I'll be back to work by June the 12th. That'll be good. And I've been sitting around watching everybody's videos. I need to catch up on a lot of video watching, so I plan on doing that while I'm recouping, doing my recoup time. It feels good. The shake's out of it, so I guess it was the rear tire. Excuse me. I have a car tire on the back. Had a car tire on the back. Now it's got a regular motorcycle tire. The belt separated in the tire. So after I get this one wore down, I think I will go back to the car tire, because I really liked it. But for right now, I'll stick with the motorcycle tire. I gotta buff it out, scuff it out. See what kind of traction it's gonna have on it. But it feels tight, it feels good. I like it. I just got to get used to the speedometer now, because now with the motorcycle tire on it, it's got a 10% error rate. Like I'm going 55 right now, I'm actually going 50 actual speed, 55 indicated. So after my surgery, and when I get healed up, I plan for my 60th birthday, I plan to do the trip that I had to cancel last year because of this tire. I just didn't feel right, and it called for rain every day, everywhere. So I'm going to try to do my loop, go from here to Chattanooga to visit my buddy Harley track, and then from there to Smyrna, Georgia to see my buddy Sam Smith, and then cross over to Birmingham to go visit the Barber Motorcycle Museum. And I have an old classmate that lives in Leeds, Alabama. I want to see if I can crash on his couch for one night, and then go over to the Natchez Trace Parkway and take that on up, and maybe spend the night in Jackson, find a Motel 6 or something there, you know, and then head on home. So that's the plan. And let's just hope that the plans stay solid, and we'll see how that turns out. So I guess that's really just about it. Nothing earth-shattering or anything else. Just counting the days till I get this daggum hip done. And then probably after that, I'll get my right knee done. So I'm gonna get a tattooed on my buttock saying, "Sponsored by Blue Cross Blue Shield of Tennessee." That'll be good. I like that. So I guess that's it for now. If you would just say a little prayer to the man upstairs, and make sure that the surgeon's not drunk or nothing. Make sure they do a good job, and speedy healing. So y'all take care, and like I said, I'll probably be posting updates on Facebook, and if I do some like laptop videos or something, I'll do that on YouTube and give y'all some updates if y'all want to see them. Okie dokie, that's about it. This is a Smyrna Cowboy here in Smyrna, Tennessee, wishing you and yours a good day. And until next time, adios.